Hello class 4. In the last video, I took a revision class on first chapter, the story of the past. There, I gave some questions and I asked you to write down the answers and check the answers with the previous answers that I gave you long back. Then I told you to see how much you did well. If you made any mistake, then I told you to correct the mistakes by yourself. Today also I am going to conduct another revision class, and today this revision class will be on the second chapter, sources of history. Let us recall what we learned in the second chapter, the sources of history. We learned in that chapter that we get information about the past through the sources of history. If we have many information, then we will get an overall idea about a period, and if we get a few information, then we will get only an incomplete idea about a period. We also learned that past is known only through the sources of history, which historians and archaeologists discovered, studied and understood. Then we also learned the main sources of history are coins, artifacts, monuments, written records and oral sources. And it is important that we should respect and take care of all the sources of history. Now, look at the questions that I am going to give you for the revision. Revision on chapter 2. A. Choose the correct answers. 1. Written records are always easy to read or may be difficult to read. Whichever is correct, you tick here. 2. Oral sources are carefully written down or only told verbally. B. Write true or false. Write the statement and then you write, if it is true, then write true here. If it is false, write false here and then underline. B1. The Vedas help us to understand how the Aryans lived. Number 2. Old coins are not of much use to historians. Number 3. We should look after only those historical sources that are important. C. Match the following. A. B side. A side, monuments. 2. Inscription. 3. Oral sources. 4. Artifacts. B side, things like dishes, tools, and I have given a star here because there is no space, so the rest of the sentence is given down. Look at here. Made by earlier people. Stories, coins, poems. old buildings of historical interest, writing on metal, stone. D. Answer the following questions. Why are sources of history important? Number 2. Why is it important to preserve and care for the sources of history? Students, you will get these questions in the attached file. Use the link and open the attached file. Write down these answers in your SST CW copy. And then once you have finished writing the answer, then only check these answers with the previous answers that I have given you long back. If you find any wrong you have committed in your answers, then correct that by yourself. Thank you. Students, if you do the revisions sincerely, then you can find out yourself how much you have learned. Sincerely means, I want to say that don't look at the answer that already I gave you, but without seeing the answer, try to write down the answers of the revision chapter. After that, you find out how much you have written correctly, match with the earlier answer. Do the revision in this way and you yourself will find out how much you are doing well. Thank you.